Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker, and in today's episode I will bring to you one of the most extravagant is Wackiest shoes that I have up to date. And get what? Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Okay, so here is our model. You know what it is? You know what it is? Look, how cool is it? Okay, so this is the New Balance XC72, which is one of the newest model produced by New Balance, and I have in my hand a very interesting colorway with on the dark tone color. So it's a little bit playful compared to like Ray New Balance, which is fit for everyone and easy to use. So let's check it out. The most noticeable feature from this type of shoes is that it has a super wacky outsole, like this type of pattern. It runs from down here, rocky pattern, run from down here to the toe box of the shoe. And in this type of pattern, from this side it has like circular pattern that run up to two. So there are actually two different type of pattern at the outsole of the shoe, which is divided by a stripe, a white stripe in the middle. And this shoe, the upper of it has many different parts, just like the 5040 New Balance. If you know that type of shoe, it has many different pieces to form this upper. And in this particular model, you can see that there are a combination of different material. This is like leather. These parts are suede, and they are mesh. And also it has like a gum plastic stripe at the heel to hold the form of the shoe. And here we have like the tongue, which is, I feel like at a regular thickness for the New Balance model, and a super comfy color. You can see how thick the cushions is in this model. And this model has like red lace, which is super contrast with all of the other color, and it makes it look super nice. And let's check out the insole. Okay, so this insole of the shoe is how the XC72 logo, and yeah, as I noted, it's just like a moderate New Balance insole. So it's not too thick, not too thin, and it's just like normal insole, nothing too special. So let's have a look at the other one, so you can see. And one more interesting part that you can notice is that the shoe, this part of the midsole, it is made in the 3D form. So it from here it is thin and it goes thicker to the side. And overall, this shoe, when you use it actual in your feet, it will create like the arc of shadow play. So it just not only stay like this, but when you move the angle, the shadow may make the shoe look a little bit cooler. And for the price of the shoe, so I have this model in Vietnam, and the price is like around $120, but on sale, luckily, it's maybe just around $80 if I'm not mistaken. So let's catch a chance and have a chance to try on the type of wacky but interesting model. And see you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. And now bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, so that you can see more interesting shoe content, and also to support for my channel to reach out to a lot of more people. Bye bye.